Hi everyone. Today in this video we will talk about how to create the control rig for the hair. So at first, for example, you have hair, it's skeletal mesh, you connect it to your main mesh. If you open it, it have the bone that you can rotate, that your hair can move. After that, I add some morph target, for example, for some, and you can move it the same. It can move independent with some tick. So in control rig, we can change it to the time. How it was done? We select the skeletal mesh, create control rig. Then I open it. Here I add the main thing: hair movement left and hair movement right. So if I now select it and try to move, you see the hair is moved. The same with this point. And we will connect and change this location. As you can see in the right side, in the current, we see the change location forward, backward, and that's all. That's why we will change it. Here, I just connect if we don't need to block this boolean. Then in sequence, I get transform for this control. Make some vector, subtract from the bone location, get the bone that should be changed with this physics, for example, from brand 2, not from the first one, from brand 2, 4, 6. And for each loop, set rotation. The same I made it for the right side. After that, for example, if you want to move your morph target, like here, I just connect that we get set curve value, so you can right mouse button, select set curve value, select the value that you have from morph target and connect it to the time loop. It will be every time shows and move and show that your character can be more alive than before. After you create this control rig, we have independent animation for this skeletal mesh. In animation blueprint, we create the hair idle animation. I add here the same curves that moved in the idle animation if the character just stayed, as you can see. Here you can just simple add curve and select which of one is yours. The name, find the name, what you want to change it. After that, I create the control rig. So right mouse button, control rig. We have the same, and at the end control rig class, we select our class. Here I have this one that was created for this hair. Then we have some input. This input, this is our control rig. So if we open it, scroll, we have this name, hair movement left, right, and another. Another is not important for you now. Hair movement left and right. And here I selected hair movement left and right. I just check it and then I get this transform. Transform I connect it to this transform that I get from my character. There I get the information about speed character, about jump or velocity or another stuff, and connect it to this transform. This transform give this to the control rig every time, and then it will be moved. So this is the how easy to connect and make your character more alive. And how here you can see if I moved the hair moved the same. It set the location in forward, backward, in z-axis. So now you can try to make it the same. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.